insert image in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert image in Figma. In order to do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, simply click on the Create button at the top right corner of your screen, and then from here, select the Design option. By doing so, you will be taken to the editing space. Now once you reach to this space, here at the left side, you will be able to locate the Assets tab. Simply click on it, and then in the search bar here, type in the name of the image you would like to add. Once you enter the name of the image, you will be able to see the sticker or the image at the left side. Now from here, select the image that you would like to insert in this canvas. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the image in the canvas, or you may also simply click on the image at the left side and then a pop-up will appear here. Simply click on this insert instance and then you will be able to see it has been added to your canvas. Once the image appears on your canvas, now it is ready to resize or move. Simply drag the edges in order to resize it. So this is how you can insert image in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.